So we're back. So now we want to create the button skip and the button like. So for each one of them, we want to update the number of views in the ID and the number of like if we click on like. So how to do this? First we will need two functions when we click on the button. So the first would be skip idea, and the second one on click it will be like idea. So we need to create these two here. So skip ID and like idea. As you remember, or maybe not, in the API we created a long time ago, we have this route with the put, and the put is used to update like a collection in the database. And let's take our controller, idea controller. When we have this put here, we can change the name and the description. So now I will put this on 1.9 because it's not needed. So now I will do the same with viewed and liked. Okay, let me just check if it's correct. This is viewed and liked. Yes, it is correct. So now if we change these things, I mean now we can update it if we send viewed and liked. So this is what we want. So from here we have already our idea service ready. So what we can do is to we have this for example, oops, console log idea dot viewed okay, I have an error with this. No, it's not idea service, this is this ID. Ah, okay. So here when I skip I can see that I have 0 viewed. So now I need to plus it 1. So this idea that viewed plus plus. To be perfect, I don't remember. Maybe it's only PHP. Okay, now we have it. It is like making it +1, but interesting. Ah, yeah. This one are old IDs and they don't have it. That's why. For example, if I go in Mongo Management Studio, you will see what is wrong. This is because for the first ID I created, my model was not correct, and there is no view. So I think it is this one. Yes, and here you can see that you don't have the viewed field. we have it only from the idea number 3. So we can, okay, let's not do it then. We will find a way later to change it. Uh, 30 seconds, I need to do something quickly. Oh, okay, I'm back. So now we here need to use the idea service. And now oh yeah, of course we don't have it right now. So I put this like this now. So in the idea service, now we need to create a new function which will be update ID. And inside we will need the complete ID to update it. So return this http.get. Then we have this ideas URL. Then we need to write the ID after the slash. So idea ID, and then the headers like this, and then we map the response to JSON object like this. Oops, and here we need to write the ID also. It's not a get, this is a put. Okay, much better. And this is all we need. Maybe we will need to JSON stringify, but I'm not sure, so now we will keep it like this and let's see how it behaves. So now we can use this idea service and this update idea with this idea, and we can subscribe to the response, and we will just console log response just to see what we have. So now if I go to detail and click on skip, I have this response, and I have an object which is the ID, and we have viewed to 1. If I click again, I will get a new object, and now viewed will be equal to 2. Okay, this is more or less okay, but later we will find out how to restrict a little bit the number of skip per person and the number of like per person to 1, because we don't want people to, I don't know. By the way, this is I think stupid. I think this code will move to the get ID here, because or to the on init, because this is when we have the ID that we want to +1 the viewed. But anyway, now we can do the same. Okay, no, let's do it right away. So this is not the skip ID. Okay, so we will remove, and we will create a new function which will be increment viewed, and this we can put it here. So when we get the ID here, we can use also this function like this. And now every time we will load the view, we will load this ID. We will increment the view. So now skip ID, it does nothing. So now we can take this code again in the like ID, and instead of incrementing the viewed, we will just increment the liked, and it works exactly the same way. So if I go there, those IDs, I go on this one I liked, for example. It has been viewed 1 because I just loaded it. This is the object we got here, and now I put the view to 1, the liked to 1. If I go back, if I click again here, viewed 2. If I go back, I go again, viewed 3. If I go back, I choose another one, viewed 1. This one seems nice, I like it, and this is updated. We can see it also in the database. For example, this like 1 and viewed 1, and this other one liked 1 and viewed 3. So this is working and we like it. The only problem I have now is that if someone wants to cheat, he can click like many times and increment the liked for one viewed. And this we'll try to fix a little bit later. This will be fixed when we like to like an ID. We'll need to be logged in, and then we will check if this user already liked this ID or not. And to do so, I'm not sure now. I will think a little bit more about it, but I think the best way is simply to log all the ID of the IDs in the user liked. For example, a user now, if we check the model we have for the API, a user has only username and password now, but later he will have also, for example, liked, and this will be an array of all the IDs he liked. And then he can also have his own views, with, for example, we can add a root there and a menu, like for example ideas liked, and he can browse again the IDs he liked. So that's it for this video on YouTube, and we'll continue just after with a new menu which will allow us to create new IDs.